Today, we're unlocking the secrets of dropshipping and how it's revolutionizing the supply chain. In this video, we'll cover what dropshipping is, how it works in the supply chain, the key components of the dropshipping process, its advantages and challenges, and most importantly, its impact on the modern supply chain. So, let's get started. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is essentially a fulfillment model where retailers don't hold any inventory. Instead, they sell products, and when an order is placed, the retailer forwards that order to a third-party supplier, who ships the product directly to the customer. The retailer earns a profit by marking up the price of the product. This removes the need for the retailer to manage inventory, warehouse goods, or even handle shipping. How dropshipping works in the supply chain. Here's how dropshipping fits into the supply chain. 1. The customer places an order with an online retailer. 2. The retailer then forwards that order to the supplier. 3. The supplier packages and ships the product directly to the customer under the retailer's brand. This simplifies the supply chain significantly, allowing retailers to focus primarily on marketing, sales, and customer relationships. Key components of dropshipping in supply chain. The dropshipping supply chain has a few core components that are essential for the model to work effectively. 1. Retailer, dropshipper, the person or company selling the products without holding inventory. 2. Supplier/manufacturer, the entity that produces and ships the goods. 3. Logistics, shipping and warehousing tasks are handled by the supplier. 4. Technology, e-commerce platforms and software that help manage inventory and sync orders between retailer and supplier. Advantages of dropshipping. Dropshipping has several distinct advantages that make it an attractive business model. 1. Low initial investment, you don't need to invest heavily in inventory. 2. Reduced risk, since you don't hold stock, there's no risk of unsold products. 3. Scalability, it's easy to scale up and add more products to your online store. 4. Wide product selection, offer a broad range of items without worrying about warehousing. But, as with any business model, it's not all perfect. Challenges of dropshipping in the supply chain. Despite the benefits, dropshipping does come with its fair share of challenges. 1. Lower profit margins, because suppliers manage logistics, profit margins tend to be smaller. 2. Less control over shipping, you rely on the supplier to deliver on time, and any issues reflect on you as the retailer. 3. Supplier reliability, the business depends heavily on the supplier's performance. And when you're dealing with multiple suppliers, it can get even more complicated, especially in terms of shipping logistics. Impact on traditional supply chains. Dropshipping has had a significant impact on traditional supply chains by eliminating the need for warehousing and allowing retailers to focus on customer engagement rather than logistics. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of supply chain and logistics.